We're out here at Mesivta of Eatontown, where my Yeshiva older brother Baruch is a Maggid Shir. A lot of people know my brother Baruch as a movie producer, game show host. Baruch!
How's it going, Aaron?
Wow.
All right, here's my brother Chaim. Chaim, welcome
Baruch.
to Yeshiva.
Get back to you with the mic. I said a lot of people know you, Baruch, as a movie producer, a game show host, a camp director.
First and foremost, Baruch Hashem, I have the schus to be here, Rebbe Mesivta of Eatontown for the past 8 years. An amazing yeshiva. It happens to be a lot of the bochurim aren't here today because they all went collecting.
Big campaign.
Big campaign.
The last few boys are going out now to collect. Wow.
We have a big campaign. But Chaim, you've never been here before?
I've actually been here by Yankees Upshare.
Yankees Upshare. My son's Upshare was here. So the Besmedrash is usually geschmack with them sitting and learning. I'll send you some videos soon. But here's the Besmedrash today. We have a beautiful Besmedrash. We have our campaign screen
rocking
over there. Baruch Hashem, Dolim's giving
the goal?
Gewaldig. The goal is $500,000. We have a yeshiva here for bochurim that probably wouldn't fit into your typical yeshiva. Bochurim that possibly struggling a little bit more. And we do amazing work with them. Just 2 nights we had a chasna of one of our talmidim. We have Brissim over here from Yeshiva's Eineklach.
Wow.
We have a bunch of juicy stuff. A lot of the bochurim aren't here today. But let's go into the Yeshiva's office. He is here. Yeshiva always has to be in Yeshiva. But we go to the Yeshiva, let's schmooze with him for a few minutes.
Wow.
All right, so now we're here in the Yeshiva's office. Here's Ramatchi, Yeshiva's brother. And here's the Yeshiva. Let's tell some of the followers a little bit about the amazing Yeshiva here.
Clip over there, yeah.
Thank you very much, Achim Perlowitz. It's a schus. I'm humbled to be sitting here in the office with such amazing people. Thank you for coming to the Mesivta of Eatontown. First, I talk about the dedicated Rabbeim, which includes our dedicated Reb Baruch Perlowitz, who's here every afternoon to be there for the 9th grade boys and brings an Ruach HaChaim to the yeshiva. Ramatchi Kasir, my brother, is the 10th grade Rebbe, amongst all the other Rebbe Mermelstein in the 11th grade, Rebbe North in the 12th grade, Rebbe Meisel's in the 9th grade. Mesivta of Eatontown is unique, that it's here for a boy that for whatever reason had struggled in a typical mainstream yeshiva system. Either the learning was a little bit too hard for him, too much pressure, felt there was too much of a cookie cutter. And what we did is we created a yeshiva-like system. It runs like a yeshiva with very, very flexible rules, a very geschmack atmosphere, geschmackite. A boy can feel that I can have being yeshiva without the pressure that's usually associated with yeshiva.
Wow.
And therefore, what happens usually is the boy, with obviously the understanding of the Rabbeim, the love of the Ahavas HaTorah, the geschmackite from mitzvahs, and just to be around, he usually on his own steps up to the plate and says, this is what I want to do. He moves on, becomes a true Ben Torah, goes on to Eretz Yisrael, to some other yeshiva, and they smell
Wow.
Yeshiva.
That's the picture
here. The alumni Shabbos by the Kosel.
Wow, that's amazing. These are the alumni that went to learn in Eretz Yisrael. Unbelievable. Baruch, these were your talmidim here?
This was a class older than my talmidim, but many of these are married. Here, he's married, Baruch Hashem. He's married, Baruch Hashem. He's married. A lot of them are married. A lot of them moved on. A lot of them have kinderlach.
And that is what's unique about Mesivta of Eatontown. It turned from a Mesivta, which was a high school setting, a Mesivta setting for these bochurim, for these heilig and neshamas, that really no one looks at. You might see them in the back of the shul davening. You might see them in a pizza shop on Matzah Shabbos. You might tell your children, let's move away from them. And the Rebbeim has step up to them, greet them, embrace them as Geherig B'nai Torah. We don't look down at them, just quite to the contrary. We look up to them. You too have koiches. You too can steig in your own personal setting. Then they move on, and Baruch Hashem, as our Baruch just mentioned, many of them get married. Mesivta of Eatontown turned from a Mesivta, it's now a kehila with the alumni. There's a tzub on the table. Really? Here on the table because there was a chasna who got married 2 nights ago. We sat, I
think everybody knows it.
I was there to be the Masada Kedusha, so we went through the ksuba a few days ago. He was saying, and their children in turn, it becomes this big happy family.
Just when you walk into this place, if you wouldn't tell me it's Mesivta of Eatontown, I think it's BMG. Look at that, the regular full-fledged Mesivta.
That's exactly it. There's a beautiful big Mesivta, and every boy has his place. There's nice classrooms upstairs. But I could take you also downstairs. I show you the game room, and show you the pool table, the big back table, and the computer station. You have both. You have the yeshiva, you have the. And here too, we have a full-course basketball court.
Oh wow!
And a fire pit. On the other side of the summer, we have a
making a little fire over there. Wow!
So we have the fusion from beide Welten.
It's really unbelievable. It's so important in today's world to have such a yeshiva. And most of my followers probably don't know about the yeshiva. And this video is going to show them. We have a yeshiva and you're running a campaign now. What's the goal again?
Well, we have a $500,000 campaign for much needed funds because when you give to the Mesivta of Eatontown, obviously it's a 2-for-1 sale. Really, everyone's looking for a good sale, in the Hanukkah season, 2-for-1, buy one, get one free. It's hatzalas nefashis and mamish. These baruchim would be mamish matzel nefashis, but it's also hachsakas hatayra, shtelt of yiddish adoris, l'shem l'teferes, bringing back literally like the Navi says, v'heishav le'vavas abana v'le'vanim alavaisam. That's what's happening here in the Mesivta of Eatontown.
Wow, I'm going to tell you a little story. I was by a simcha 2 nights ago, and I met a guy, a man, probably 55 years old, comes over to me. He says, "You look like a Perlowitz." I said, "Yes, I do. I am a Perlowitz." And he says, "You don't know what your brother Baruch did to my son. He saved my son's life." And he went on and called his wife over from the other side of the chitza to me, and they were just like benching me that I'm Baruch's brother. He went on and on the whole rampage what Baruch did to his son.
We hear that, Baruch, I hear that about my brother as well, the Matchi, and about the other Rabbeim. But that's also what's unique about Mesivta Eatontown. We're not shrei the convention. We keep these quietly, but like what some people know about, so part of the fabric of the community.
Well, now after this video goes, hey,
I'm sure, right?
But I think for the campaign, the Olim's going to really, I'm going to put the link on the screen now. I'm going to put the link right here on the screen, right here, and the Olim should donate. It would be
a great, like I said, a great help, and if you donate to this yeshiva, the Eibush will help and nachas the kedusha and Allah and kin and no simchas and ashpois toivus.
Oh man, I'm going to ask Mark to take me a little around the building, show me a little bit around the place. I'll take the mic back over to Michael right there. Very good, Mark. Mark, let's go. Atzlacha.
Okay, so of course we sit down, we steig in the classroom, we have gewaldige, beautiful shiurim, but very often we do things out of the classroom. So first of all, everybody knows Mesivta of Eatontown follow their trips, their ski trips, their trips all over the place. Then of course, we have a beautiful basketball court over here.
Nice.
Beautiful, the Olim sits plays anytime it's sunny outside. Together with that, we have a volleyball court over here. It's usually Rebbe's against talmidim, while the Rebbe's with the talmidim and the Olim plays. When it's nicer weather, we have a pickleball court out here also.
Nice.
Over here we have a fire pit. You have some of the bochurim here making a fire. The bochurim that didn't go to Klek.
When I was a bochurim, I made a fire.
You get thrown out of yeshiva. No. Over here we have a fire pit. The bochurim make fires. What's going on, Eli? Eli, show me what you're doing. Show me with the blower. What are you doing? I'm not doing it. No? Yeah.
No blower yet. It's going to put it out.
I was going to put it out at this stage?
We just lit it.
You just lit it.
Nice,
so we use the blower.
You teach the bochurim how to make the fire.
Not the bochurim teach us. But on nice days, very, very often we give shir out here.
Nice.
Yeah, over here we have the dorm for the bochurim.
Oh, wow, so you have a dorm here, the bochurim
We have a dorm, 1,000%. Really I'll take you downstairs now. So we have yeshiva grills all the time. We have some grills over there. And here yeshiva has a beautiful swimming pool that we put up last year. The bochurim spend hours over here. Mamash is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful geshmak. And now we're going to go downstairs to the basement where we have all of the games.
Nice. Where was I when I was a bocher?
Exactly.
Unreal.
So today we have delicious food. Today we have bagels, so the bocher will be able to pack it up, go out collecting. Of course, the bocher comes in early morning for shachos on a cold day. We have all the professional machines. Yeah. Free for the oilam.
Nice.
Anybody wants Chaim, you want to get shmaka cappuccino?
So nice.
Shmaka cappuccino for all the bochurim. Shachris.
L'chaim.
Gewaldig.
This place is
This
nice.
is our lunchroom here.
I love the way, usually a Mesivta Baruch, it gets run down, the bochurim take it apart. Over here, everything is kept so nice.
The bochurim love it. This is the bochurim's yeshiva. They take care of it. They love it.
Oh wow, ping pong.
Here we have all the time Geschmack ping pong games with the bochurim. Rebbe's and bochurim, there's nothing that bonds more when the Rebbe looks at the Talmud and the Talmud looks at the Rebbe and they look at each other and the Rebbe takes the ball and he serves it, whacks it out, spins it, gets the bochurim out. That Geschmack from a Rebbe.
Wow.
And opposite as well, also true. Of course, we have pool, we have air hockey, foosball, and over here we come in one more step. It says Torah Mateshas Koicha Shalodam. So the Olim gets weak. So in here,
Oh wow.
you come in here, we have a gym for the Olim
No way.
with all kinds of equipment for the bochurim to work out. And I'll tell you something crazy. The bochurim put this gym together. They found this area, meaning when we made the building, they found this, and they went ahead and they found different people giving away different gym equipment, and they put this gym together.
Wow.
Yeah, Baruch Hashem.
I'm blown away, Baruch. I'm blown away by this place.
Chaim, why didn't you come sooner? I'm a Rebbe here for 8 years. I was sure.
I know. I should have opened the status 8 years ago.
Yeah.
Unreal.
So
Baruch,
this is
any
our
openings
yeshiva.
here? Any openings or all the Rebbe's slots are full?
All the Rebbe slots are full, but talmidim, we never turn away a Talmud from Mesivta of Eatontown.
Unreal. Wow.
Never turn away a Talmud.
I'm going to put the link again now on the screen right over here, Baruch. The Olim is going to donate. Baruch, I think I'm going to put your link on the screen.
Chavre, Yeshiva really needs the money.
Baruch entertains Klal Yisrael. Baruch's there for Klal Yisrael. Give him back, put on his page over here, and do it for the Olim.